Hi and welcome to Sleek Saturn's video of an unboxing of a Geeetech Delta style 3D printer. I've just received it today in the mail and it came from Germany. I ain't got a knife, let's use a set of keys instead. My first Delta style 3D printer. See how well packaged it is. It came from UK Direct. You get your Delta Rockstock Mini GS Pro 3D printer, which is that one for the instructions. It's a dual type 3D printer. It's got all the instructions, got the inventory list, what you've got to check. Make sure all the necessary hardware is still there. There's that one. And all the checklists has been done, pre-checked, which comes all pre-checked all the way down, all the little ticks, and then all the ticks on the back, both sides. The build volume is 20 by 20 by 18, which is 200 by 200 by 180 millimeters. It takes ABS and PLA, and the software is capable of using of Windows, Macs and Linux. Well, packaging. You've got your power cable, your other power cable if you live in some other type of country. But we live in England, so we use these type of plugs. We've got aluminium build plate with heat bed, nicely wrapped, nice and safe. It should be quite fun in building this. There's one. You got your laser cut part acrylic, which I've been told this can easily fracture and break. I might not use these. I might turn this to ply, thick ply, which should be a little bit stronger than this. You've got your Geeetech control board, nice and shiny. We have dual extruders, which I will be modifying these and putting some little tiny washers on to make them look like E3D extruders, which will help on improving the cooling on them. We've got some more. Laser cut parts. Also in acrylic. I'll open them later. Some more laser cut parts. We have a GT2560 circuit board with ramps, control boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Open that one in a minute. We have some test filament, orange. Doesn't say whether it's PLA or ABS. have been labelled. We have the Bolden tubes. We have a nice, looks like a control board. We have the power brick. Nice and shiny, look at that, shiny. You have all the necessary pins. It's a 3D printer model Delta Rockstock Mini power supply. It was nice and secured in this foam. Don't really want that. We have all the laser cut things, which they haven't been pushed out. You might have to do it all again. As I said before, maybe using aluminium based ones instead, because I don't think acrylic can hold up to the pressure of the screw nuts when you're tightening. We have both of them ones, top and bottom. There's the bottom, there's the top plate, which will work upside down. Some nice foam, not. Comes with, a mini tool kit. You don't get that with all 3D printers. When I first got mine, I got nothing with my Perusa. So that's a bonus. All the track rods ends are pre-done and zip tied. I'll be checking them, see how smooth they are. Got the bolts to go with it, the bearings with precision plastic moulded parts instead of 3D printed ones. I think that's the style of 3D printers nowadays. They're going to be all injected moulded, so you'll have no more 3D printed parts until you 3D print your own upgrades. We have a USB cable to connect it to your computer for the first time. We have the power switch, which is a bonus. Nice big power switch, clearly labelled. We have the stepper motors, which are Casson stepper motors, type 42 SHD0217/24Bs, and which they are come from www.geeetech.com. We have some loose miscellaneous ones. There's the bars, which I'll be extending these myself, make it even taller prints, so I can make really tall prints. So if anybody's got any ideas for me to 3D print something real tall, please leave a comment on my YouTube videos, and please also leave a like and a subscribe. We also have a pick tool. Dangerous, look, pick tool. Stop it. We also got, this is your auto bed level, I'm guessing, piece of rod. Goes onto the auto bed leveling, which is also an improvement from the last 3D printer. Some zip ties, some collars for the rods, another smooth little rod. We have the hot end carriage, and we've also got some bed leveling springs. What I would suggest, if these springs aren't strong enough, get the old hand wash bottle springs and take it to pieces and use them ones. They're a little bit stronger. So use them ones instead. That's what I use anyway. Nice aluminium hot end block to hold the hot ends. You've got all the necessary cables, the end stop switches. This is a really good idea what they have done. They have also numbered each packet, so what you need next will probably be in order. We have two stepper motor, extruder motors, which both are fan assisted and aluminium. You don't get normally these in aluminium and these type of things. They don't come as 3D printed plastic parts or extruded. Aluminium's a really good upgrade. You got the knob for your control board as well. Cooling fan. I think there's two. So one will be for the hot end nozzles and one for the bed. And we also have all the necessary M5s, M3s, nuts. We also have the belt pulleys, the G222 belt pulleys. We also have the spacers for the control board to keep it away from the ground. Yep. We also got the pulley wheel things. We also got the bushes things, belts, which I think maybe they're loop belts or it looped. No, it's just meters and meters of belts. Look at all that. Yeah. What a pile of spaghetti. We've got the cable tidy, the small wires, and the stepper motor wires, which are all nicely cabled up in like a heat shrink. Hope you like my unboxing video. Please subscribe and hit that nice like button down there. This is not a paid thing by Geeetech 3D printer. This is all my own doing for all you YouTuber people out there. Thanks for watching. Press the button.